up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Wayne from Fade to Back. I appreciate you guys from subscribing. The topic of this video is which season is the best season to get window tint done. So I know a lot of people always think summer, but right now it is October. This sun is blindingly bright. So that's another reason why I say the privacy, glare, the heat, they all have a factor in different seasons getting your windows tinted. So now everyone thinks summer because it's hot. Yeah, I know. You got your cars out, you got your things out for storage, you're ready to rock them, you're ready to ride them out, taking the car shows. But it seems like people kind of sleep on the fall and the winter. Now, summertime, it is crazy busy, all right? We're booked out for weeks. Every shop is overwhelmed. I have to admit that sometimes I miss some calls and some people slip through the cracks. But then when you get towards fall, you get to winter, people generally start to think, they just don't think window tint as much, you know? Now we stay busy and we have stuff to do, but the mentality is always summer. But right now, this sun is bright. So if you're traveling, if you're going places, that sun is gonna be in your eyes the whole time. So right now is a perfect time to have window tint. Now, the other season, winter. Winter, you get the snow, you get the ice, and when the sun is up high, it's blinding when that sun is shining off that snow and ice. When you're traveling, when you're outside doing things, when you're shoveling, it is very bright. So when you're driving, it is the same thing. You're looking across the road, you're looking across fields, and that snow is coming in crazy bright. Now, I know with the winter, you don't have the heat like summer has. When you're in your vehicle with the big thick coat on and the sun is coming in, it makes you even warmer. So having tint on your vehicle will help with that. It will help you not have to fight and mess with the heat and keep your car more of a constant temperature inside the vehicle. Trying to change the mentality of people that wait until summer, and some people that say don't have your car tinted in the winter. There is no factors or nothing that's going to make your tint be worse from the winter than the summer. Wintertime, keep in mind, winter we can get you in right away. The schedule is not as crazy. You won't slip through the cracks. You'll be able to get your appointments more flexible than when that works for you. Compared to the summer, we're trying to stick people in any place we can. Sometimes we don't have time for you guys. Sometimes you're booked 2 or 3 weeks out and it is this madness, you know? And sometimes, like I said before, they just people slip through the cracks. So winter and fall, things generally get a little bit more manageable because everyone just wants to have it done in the summer. Right now, I am outside. This sun is blinding. It is very bright, and it's just gonna get brighter as the leaves fall out of the trees and the sun is constantly just beaming through everything. Winter and fall are really good seasons to have your windows tinted, and you will really benefit from the privacy and reducing that sun glare and having your vehicle. So which season is the best season to get your windows tinted? You know, I personally can't say which one is the best. I think you can benefit from film all year round in your vehicles and your homes, because I'm sure right now on the south side, the glare and the sun is just beaming right into your home. I think that every season you can definitely benefit from having windows tinted in your vehicle or your home. One thing I would say, summer, yeah, you get a lot of heat, you get that sun glare. Fall, right now, it's crazy bright outside. Winter, you get the snow and you get the ice and you get the glare when the sun's high, shining over the fields when you're driving places. Every season has a benefit of having window tint. Summer, crazy busy. We're booked out 3 weeks. People are calling, people are slipping through the cracks. Sometimes you're getting very overwhelmed. The fall, like now, kind of unwinds a little bit. I feel that is a better reason why right now is a good time to get your windows tinted, because you won't slip through the cracks. We can kind of pay more attention to what's going on. We can kind of get a hold of things and kind of reel everything back in. Summer is very overwhelming. You know, sometimes I was sleeping 4 hours a night, getting back up, getting right back at it, trying to get customers hooked up with their vehicles. Winter comes along, and a lot of times in winter, people just don't think of it, but the winter glare is crazy off the snow and ice. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not anti-sun by any means. I would much rather have a beautiful, bright, sunny day than a dark, gloomy day by any means. But one of the things is when the sunlight is shining, it just sometimes makes it uncomfortable. It makes you strain your eyes. I know some people get headaches. When you're sitting in your vehicle, you don't want to be roasted and be uncomfortable. So those are some of the factors that you kind of have to deal with the really bright sunny days. So I would like to know what you think. A few minutes from Fade to Black, which season do you think is the best? Honestly, I know I might not have answered the question, but I think you can benefit all year round. Like I said before, if the video helped y'all, give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, hit that bell so you not miss any notifications, and I'll be back when I get time with another video. Until then, stay faded. Peace.